Paran Judi Amad. As the very name suggests, Paran, Judi is attached, Amad. When you join the Paran to the Amad, it becomes a Paran Judi Amad. Obviously, when we are talking about Paran, we have to have the sounds of the Pakhawaj. Any Paran will always be influenced or incorporating a lot of sounds from the Pakhawaj rather than the tabla. Naturally, Paran Judi Amad will have lots of bols from the Pakhawaj, which again insinuates that the movements are going to be sharp and manly. But in contrast to the lasya, it's a balance between the two. Dha Takka Thunga is a Paran Judi Amad, very popular, very simple, but at the same time mostly performed by many dancers every now and then. So many combinations, so many examples of Paran Judi Amads have been made by so many people. Let's do a very simple one. Dha, tak, ka, thunga. Dha, ge, din, ge, ta. Dha, da, din, ta. Dhit, ta, ke, ra, dha. Tak, ka, thunga. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ka. Te, ta, ka, ta, ga, ti, ga, na, ta. Ta, thei, ta, thei. A, thei, ta, thei. Thei, ta, thei, ta, thei. Thei, thei, ta, ta. The first movement is dha, which is the sound of the Pakhawaj. Left leg goes forward before the Paran starts, and the movement is tapping off the Pakhawaj. Dha. So you bang your foot and you slide it. Dha. That's one. Now takka, this is the thap. Takka is you join the two sides of the hand and pull it forward towards yourself. Takka. They go under your arms. Thung is you join again. Turn your body back. Your body weight is on your left and your right is stretched. There. Now it should be straight rather than this. Once again. Dha. Tak. It's like you're receiving something. Ga. Thung. Ga. Once again. Tha. Tak. Ka. Thung. Ga. Now, your body weight is on your right. Anjuri. See, fold your legs here. And a dha. Toe forward. Ge, din, ge. Again twist and turn. Ta. Let me take it again from here. And a dha. Ge, din, ge, ta. A diagonal walk back. Dha. Look at the placement of the foot right at the back. Dha. Dhin. Body on the other side. Palms together. Dhin. Ta, leg at the back, cross it. Now, dhit ta kiradha is Urdukon Suchita. Dhit ta, jump up in pushpak. Kiradha. Tak, ka, thunga. Once again. We'll do it from dhit ta kiradha. The two. Dhit ta, ke, ra, dha, ta, ka, thunga. Now from here, bring your left hand back and continue the movement. Ta, ki, ta, ka. It's like an ardha pheri. Ta, ki, ta, ka. Now move forward. Te, ta, ka, ta, ga, di, ga, na. 2 spins straight ahead. Ta thai ta thai is the bowl of the Amad. Palms together. Ta, bend and look in on your left. Thai, ta, thai. And the other side. A, thai, ta, thai. Thai, the thai, samatal, thai, tat, ta, at, ta, or thai, tat, tat, ta, or tat, ta, or tat, ta. You can take any of the freezing moments, freezing poses at the end.